here which has produced some great performances world over. When we talk of the 1500 meters in the men, we talk of names like Sriram Singh. We talk of names like Edward Sequeira going back.
And that's the start of 1500 meters run for men under 20 final.
Now we'll finish the 1500 meters and then of course have a chat with the winner of the discus throw.
1500 meters run men under 20 years. The run is in progress. Final. Bib number 1801 Salla of Telangana is lead the pack in 1500 meters run men 20. Buddy lead the race men 20 100 meters 991999. Priyanshu of Uttarakhand.
Yes, an event where, as we know, is the contest fought on the battleground of your own body, and that, of course, with specific demands upon the will, which are different. Rangana Naikar of Karnataka, that lead. Remember, in the semi-finals too, that he had that lead and went on to win his part out here. We are now into the 2 laps to go from here on, the 1500 meters. The national record, Parvez Khan, we just mentioned at Gandhinagar, 340.89, 22. Mehdi Hassan, Coimbatore, 346.53. We've got 2 laps to go from here on now. It's a close bunch for these boys, the men's under 20. They always say that all the words written about distance running were to be laid from end to end, they might well match the number of miles by athletes in training. The 1500 meters used to be, I'm going back into history, the Finland boys used to dominate 15, 5,000, 10,000, and then the threesome British Sebastian Go, along with him Steve Ovett and Steve Cram. Sangeeta, we got Rangana Naikar looking in a bit of a trouble there, going into the final round. Now this is where the big boys will be separated. Now see someone now trying to sneak in there. Yes, sneaking in very quickly. That's Naitik Sonkar from Chhattisgarh. He now takes the lead. Oh, Naitik comes back again. He comes back again. Sonkar slips back. Sounding out to be a cat and mouse game. Naikar leads. They are now at the 200 meters. It's now or never for him. We might see the man in the black vest perhaps trying to change the complexion of what's happening out there. Naikar is not giving up. He is not giving up. This is 4 of them. 1500 meters. Naikar now 3. Mogali Reddy of Andhra Pradesh. That is close. That is absolutely close out here. This is something which we'll have to surely wait for the final result. But I think